What's up guys, today I'm doing a giveaway. What am I giving away? Well, I'm giving away more than 250 sound effects for commercial use. 100% free. Oh no, I forgot to play the intro. Never mind, I will play it now. Back to the video, I suppose. So, how will you get the sound effects? Well, just go to the link in the description below. But why am I doing this giveaway? Well, you see, I'm making a Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial series. In Adobe Premiere Pro, you need to have sound effects to make awesome videos. There you go, your 250 plus free sound effects. See you in another Tech Wampus video.